Okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Let me introduce myself. Good afternoon, madam.
Yes,
Let me introduce myself.
sure.
Okay, my name is Selva Kumar. I am from Tamil Nadu, southern Tamil Nadu, near Tirunelveli.
Okay.
I have, yes, I have already done a diploma in electronic communication engineering. Currently, I'm working in Dubai. Now I am in a hometown because of my vacation. That is why I'm in the hometown. Um, First of all, I want to say thank you for you because I saw some videos recently. Watched some videos in your channel. It's useful for me. That is why I request to use and mail for conversation. Um, that's all about me. Nowadays, I'm doing the farming. That is my
Okay.
yeah. Okay, my vacation
Okay.
time, I'm doing my farming.
Mm-hmm.
Um, that's all about me.
Okay. Yeah. So first of all, thank you so much for joining and reaching out and you're wishing to have a conversation with me. It's glad to know that you're liking what I'm putting up on YouTube. So as you know, my name is Shanta. I am a tutor of
Yes.
spoken English. I teach spoken English online for a platform. But basically, I'm a software engineer. So I'm a full-time homemaker as well. So currently, I've very recently started my YouTube channel about a month ago. So yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm
I
working
saw
on my
your
YouTube channel
subscriber.
now.
Yes, I saw your
Okay, yes.
subscribers. Yeah.
Okay, yes. So you are from Tirunelveli. The halwa is very famous there, right?
Yeah, people are always telling like that. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay for you, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I actually lived in Tamil Nadu for 1 year. I did my
Okay.
matriculation in Chennai, 10th
Chennai.
standard.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So for 1 year, I got to live in Tamil Nadu, and I know Tamil a little bit, not too much,
Okay, madam.
because I had just 1 year there. Yeah,
Okay, madam. I am from near Nagarkoil. It's
Nagarkoil.
southern.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's
Mm.
between Tirunelveli district and Nagarkoil district. My village is the end point of Tirunelveli district.
Okay. Yeah. I've been to some parts of Tamil Nadu, maybe Madurai, Pondicherry, and other
Okay,
places.
Madurai, Pondicherry.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
yes.
madam.
Yeah. Mm.
Okay.
So, what do you do in Dubai?
Madam, actually, I'm working in oil and gas industry.
Okay, amazing. Yeah. For
Yes,
how long
yes.
have you been staying in Dubai?
Uh, Almost 6 years I've been
Okay.
there. Yes, right now I am take some break because of I want to improve my communication and I have some
Mm.
personal issue. That is why I took some break. Uh, right
Mm.
now I'm trying to improve my English communication. That is why I'm here.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, and at the same
Any
time I am
specific
doing.
reason? Yeah.
Uh,
Go ahead. Go ahead.
uh, that is why I'm here, and same time I'm doing farming as well. Uh, that one also I'm doing now.
Mm.
Tell me, madam.
So is that the specific reason why you is there a specific reason why you want to improve your English or your
Yes,
communication?
madam. Yes, madam. Is more important for me because uh, last 6 year I was like I was working like a technician. But
Okay.
right now I want to go for next level, like a supervisor.
Mm.
For that, I need a clear communication. I want to communicate with clearly people. Uh, right now, I can manage. I can manage because how it's because people ask question or anything, I can say one line answer, and in
Right.
my in the meeting or anything, I will okay, sir, I will do that. I will do that. Okay, just I will say one line answer, and I will give a report. Just copy paste small things. But if I want to go next level, I have to speak with my supervisor and some higher officers. So for that, I want to improve my English communication. Okay,
Mm.
that is what I'm now I'm focusing for English fluency
Mm.
training.
Mm. How exactly are you practicing your fluency? What are you doing? What are the steps that you're taking?
Madam, actually, I didn't join any classes, but what
Mm.
I do now, just I'm seeing some videos like what kind of video you uploaded. Some videos is very useful for me
Mm.
because two people conversation is they're using some words I know their words, but it will not come from my mouth. So when I
Mm.
see what you uploaded that video, if I see that video, I get some confidence. Okay, we can speak. I can speak. I can talk to anyone without any hesitation. I got some like that kind of feel. That is why I continue watching these videos.
Mm.
Your videos,
Mm.
and I see some in YouTube some of channel they teaching some vocabulary, sorry,
Yes.
grammar as well. Yeah, grammar
Mm.
as well. So that one also I'm watching that one. And this is the main thing. Just I try to speak someone. That is the only
Mm.
one way to improve my communication.
Exactly.
And
You have
also
to
say,
talk more.
yes, yes.
Mm.
And also, just I write some vocabularies wherever I see some different words. Just I write
Mm.
and write in my notebook, and I go through on it, and I try to use that words to make sentence like
Yes.
small thing. Yes.
Mm.
Actually,
Mm.
last 5 years I'm trying this lot of things, but I'm not consistency. Now I
Mm.
have to focus on that one. That is why this is my third video call to this communication.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Mm. So
So
yeah.
this is
So
the
how
first
is
call.
life in Dubai?
Ma'am, Dubai is okay because uh, I only joined with my colleagues. I will not go outside. Actually, I'm working in the city.
Mm.
Okay, in the offshore.
Mm.
Okay, so I will not go outside. Just
Mm.
I will work 30 days and 20 days, 20 25 days. I will come to back to home.
Okay. Okay.
So yes,
Right.
so I
Mm.
will not join any other place and other people. Just I will talk with one my colleagues and I come back to home like that.
Mm. Yes.
Yes,
And actually, you were about to tell me about your first video call, and I interrupted you. So go ahead.
yes, ma'am. This is my third video call. During my first video call, I was very nervous and I couldn't talk
Mm.
clearly. Whatever I write something, I explain very fast and I cannot. I couldn't
Mhm.
explain clearly. But next video call, I am okay, and this video call also I am comfortable. I am
Mm.
nothing. Yeah, yeah. That is what I want to
Yes.
tell you.
Yes. Yes. It happens with everybody. Even during my first video call, when I started to tutor online. So when I was first joined by some learner, I was equally nervous. I wasn't. I don't know what I was speaking.
Yeah.
It was not functioning properly. So it happens with everyone. They do get nervous first times.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Thank you.
Right. So what are you growing in your field currently? Farming? You told me you're doing
Oh,
farming.
yes,
What are you
yes.
growing?
Right now I'm growing coconut. I have coconut tree, around 500 tree,
Mm,
and
mm,
groundnuts. Now I'm planting groundnuts. I think in next 20 days I have to pick up that one. And
mm.
after 20 days I made plan for ground snake,
What?
ground snake, pudalangai.
Okay, okay, okay. The long one which
Yes, yes,
resembles
that
a
one.
snake.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay,
yes.
okay.
One
Yeah.
snake. Yeah, that is
Mm,
I want to plant. That is what I'm
oh,
preparing now.
mm-hmm. So you're a multitasker, right? You are working there and you're also, grounded to your roots because people just leave farming, right? Once they move out or they get a better job, they're not no longer interested in coming back and doing farming. So
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
very nice. I really appreciate that you're still like working grassroots level.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for that one. I like farming because from childhood we see that how you mean rice planting, everything. I can see everything
Mm,
because I grow from
mm,
that place. So
mm.
if you get salary, plenty salary from a lakhs, no worry about that one. But because this is the main. Is a mind related. So I like the farming. That is why I'm during my vacation time I do something. Uh,
Okay, okay, yeah.
yes,
Very
my
nice.
father
Very
also
nice
still
to
doing
hear
that
that.
one. So my
Mm.
father also doing that one. So I will help him.
Because that is also a skill, right? Everybody can't do it. It is like you have to know the basics. So if you know
Yeah.
from first, then you can do it properly. But
Yes,
if I
madam.
show my children some plant, they won't be able to identify which plant it is. That are like the
Yeah.
disadvantages of sitting of living in a city. They cannot
Yes.
identify which plant or where they are getting their food from.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Um,
Mm.
right now, actually, what happened? I'm trying to doing organic farming, but it
Okay.
couldn't help me. Yeah, it couldn't help
Mm.
me. But still, I am trying because for organic farming, we have to do for fertilizer or anything. We have to do just 1 month before earlier. We have to prepare everything.
Mm.
That
Okay.
opportunity I couldn't get anything. So
Mm.
now right now I'm doing normal fertilizer, but in future my plan is I have to do organic farming. That is my plan.
Mm. It's actually challenging, right, to do organic farming, like without using
Uh,
fertilizer, taking care of your crops. Very
yes,
difficult.
it's very difficult, very difficult. We have to
Yeah.
prepare 2 3 years before. We have to prepare soil, everything for
Mm.
to adopt organic farming.
Mm.
Yeah,
Is it more
it's very difficult.
expensive also?
Which one, ma'am?
Organic farming? Is doing organic farming more expensive? Because maybe you have to work on the right kind of seeds and crops, right?
Yes. It's not expensive, but we have to spend more time.
Time.
Uh,
Okay.
yeah, because we have to prepare. If I want to prepare organic vegetables or organic plantation, I have to prepare 2 3 months before. I have to prepare the land, and I want to
Mm.
use the fertilizer. I have to prepare fertilizer as well. So this
Mm.
is long process, like long process. If I use that fertilizer now, it will take after 1 year. I will get the benefit from that one. So it's
Okay.
like a circle. Circle. We have to do work continuously. Then only we
Mm.
can get success.
Mm. And what about the produce that you get after the end of farming? The organic
Yeah,
produce, is it difficult to, keep it away from perishing? Is it important to preserve them more?
no, madam. Actually, we have market here in my village. We have
Okay.
market,
Mm.
so we can
Mm.
sell that. But we don't have any opportunity to separate. This is organic. This is normal one.
Mm.
We cannot separate in the market. So
Mm.
this is the drawback right now. But in
Yes,
future, I
yes.
think people will understand that one. They will come for organic
Organic.
items, organic vegetables.
Mm.
Yes.
Mm.
But right now, I can use in my home, my family members.
Mm.
Yes.
Mm. Your family is lucky actually that you can, afford to use organic products in your house. Because by
Yeah.
the time it comes to the market, it becomes so expensive that you everybody
Yes.
can't buy organic products.
Yes. It's no
Mm.
opportunity because I'm in the south, which is village side. So there is no separation for organic and normal
Produce.
vegetables. It's all
Mm.
should be together. But
Mm.
if I do organic, it should be less production. It's not too much
Yes, yes.
production. Yes.
Mm. Mm.
So the income supposed to be less compared to normal.
Normal produce.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Mm. And there are also so many companies that are, faking, telling it is organic, but they are not growing it organically.
Yes, if it is company is totally finished. They will pressurize everything. Then only they will sell
Mm.
to the people. Yeah, it's not organic. Of course, not organic.
Okay. So do you have any questions for me? Do you want to ask me anything?
Yeah, madam. I saw your videos. Your slang is very good. I understand. First, I difficult, not difficult. First, I confusing. But then, if I use my headset, I can understand very easily. When so I got some confidence. Okay. So I will continuous watching your videos. Thanks for your uploading videos. Can you give me any tips, madam? How can I improve my communication?
Mm. See, you're already speaking good. You have got the confidence and you know all the basics. Your grammar is going right. You know quite a few words. So you need to work on your fluency. So as you told me,
Okay.
you're already speaking to a people, right? So as you keep
Yes, ma'am.
practicing with people, your fluency is going to improve.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
but that's it. But you're doing good. I don't feel that you're fumbling or falling short for words. You're speaking well.
you. Okay, madam. Thank you. I
Mm.
want to ask only one question. What about reading books, madam? If I read some books, can I
Mm.
get some knowledge or you mean the English communication fluency?
Definitely, definitely. Reading books is very, very good actually because you're going to improve your grammar and you're going to get, a different kind of sentence structure because the way I and you speak now, that is
Uh,
different from how it is written in the books. The sentence
okay,
structure
madam.
is different and it is kind of perfect. So you can get to learn a lot of things when you read a book. But try to, if
Okay.
you are a beginner, try to read something which interests you. Don't go for, if you're not interested in spiritual or motivational, if you find that
Mm.
topics as boring, so don't go for such kind of books. Choose the
Okay,
books
madam.
which you are interested in. So in
Okay, madam.
every book you will find the perfect grammar, vocabulary, sentence formation, and it's very very useful to read a book.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Thank you for
Mm,
your
mm,
suggestion.
mm.
Okay, madam.
But after reading the book, make sure that you do the same homework. You write down the new words or sentences that you come across, and next time when you speak to somebody, make sure to incorporate that in your spoken
Okay.
English.
Can use that words. Okay. Okay, madam.
Mm, mm.
Okay, madam.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Shall we end the session?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you for
okay.
your
You say
yes.
vanakkam, right? Is that a
Yeah,
hello or
vanakkam.
a bye? Vanakkam,
Yes,
vanakkam. Okay.
vanakkam. It's
Thank you for
normal.
joining.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you.